News Channel 8, non-stop local news.
All right, well, whether your New Year's resolution is to eat healthier, cook more, or save money, meal planning is a great place to start.
Jessica Brader of the 6 o'clock Scramble says all you need is 1 hour of meal prep. She's here with 5 fantastic dinners to get us through the work week. And this is really key because you say there's just one staple that you can do for 1 hour,
Exactly.
1 day. And everything comes from that.
Everything comes from that.
Okay, so what's the staple? What's the
All
secret?
right, so what we did is we did an hour of prep, and in that time we made black beans, we roasted sweet potatoes and a vegetable, this time broccoli,
Okay.
and we made some rice.
Okay,
but we
so
do
just
it
these 4 things?
Just those 4 things, and we make it big. We make a
Okay.
lot. And then from that, we can create 5 meals that are ready in 30 minutes or less.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's amazing.
Amazing,
It's only
right?
like a few hours a week.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so
All
that's
right.
perfect. Okay, so for the vegetarian.
So for the vegetarians and
The
vegans
vegan.
in the house, we've got a Brazilian black bean and vegetable soup.
Is this warm? Can I try this?
It is warm, yeah.
Okay, good.
And
Okay.
the secret ingredient in that is actually orange juice.
Really?
Yeah, Brazilians pair black beans with oranges, and it brings out, it makes it lighter and fresher, and a little bit of acidity to it.
Okay, so how long does
God,
this
that's
take
good.
to make?
That takes about 15 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
All you do is saute some vegetables, throw the rest of the stuff in, and heat it up to warm.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Julie, you had your eyes on these?
I did. These are the chimichangas,
Yeah.
which
so-
you have.
Yes, these are the baked chimichangas. These are the most requested meal in my house.
Okay.
And I make them ahead a lot of times for soccer practices at night and things like that. And so basically you're going to take these ingredients and just roll them up
Okay.
into the tortillas and then bake them for 15 minutes at 425.
Now,
This
you
one
can't
has
have
cheese.
this.
Yeah, this one has cheese in it.
I'll do the honors.
It looks delicious, though.
And you were
Yes.
saying take the cheese out.
Take the cheese out, and it's good for, it's absolutely
use a
vegan.
different kind of
or
cheese,
use
yeah.
soy cheese or any of those.
That's perfect. This is a great little snack.
And it's hearty.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's hearty,
Yeah.
exactly. It's got its fiber, it's got the veggies, everything's wrapped into one.
Right, perfect. Okay.
And then
quesadillas.
Yeah, quesadillas. So the quesadillas are actually just with the roasted vegetables and the cheese,
Okay.
a Monterey Jack. But you could add whatever extras you have, and then we're serving it with a quick
Like
guacamole and with carrots instead of tortilla chips. So you
Yeah.
get the crunch, but you don't have the added fat.
Okay.
These
awesome.
are great little snacks. I love it. Okay.
All right. And so now I'm going to put you guys to work.
I'm ready.
All right, so we're going to make a sweet potato, black bean, and corn salad.
Okay.
So this is just 2 cups of sweet potatoes and some cilantro as well.
Lunch on top. Okay.
And you kind of
just
just
gonna
chop
dump that
these
in.
up and bake them earlier in the week.
Exactly.
Put them in the fridge, and now you're using them in the salad.
Exactly.
And how much
Yeah.
am I using?
You
all
just
of it?
dump it all in.
All of it. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
And then same with the black beans, again, 2 cups.
And what I like about this finished product is it'll be colorful. And
Exactly.
dietitians say that the
Exactly.
more color, the better.
Exactly. Eat your rainbow.
Ah, eat your rainbow. Okay,
I love
cool.
All right, and so now we're going to make the dressing.
Okay.
And so we've got 2 tablespoons of oil in here.
Okay, just
and
olive
then
oil
just,
or
this is a canola oil, but you
Okay.
could do olive. And then this is just 2 limes
that you've juiced
that
already.
I juiced already. And then this is a spice mix with chili powder, cumin, salt,
Oh, see, now that's good.
and garlic powder.
And cumin's good for you.
Cumin's great for
yeah,
you.
the anti-inflammatory.
I know
And
you
then
call
you can
this a
just whisk
salad,
it.
but I would take this and mix it up, and then I would put it
Yeah.
into my chimichanga or something.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You
a
can
little
wrap
wrap.
it up, absolutely. And you can also mix it up. You could add grape tomatoes, you could add avocado, anything you've got in the house you
Peppers.
can throw in. Absolutely.
Right.
And then this goes in here?
And then you dump it in and
Yeah.
mix it
so
all
if you're
up.
watching the carbs, you can do it as a salad, but for the kids, again, wrap
Exactly.
it up, chimichanga, quesadilla, and let them go at it.
Exactly, and
right.
everyone can make it how they
Before
like
we run
it.
out of time, let's
Yeah.
get to the
Okay. And then
tacos.
our last dish is a black bean and sweet potato taco. And the secret ingredient here is an avocado crema, which is basically an avocado mixed with a little bit of yogurt and some lime juice and some salt and pepper, and that's it. And it just enlivens the meal and makes it more interesting.
Perfect.
And then my husband, who doesn't even like avocados, will have this as a
'Cause he
dip
doesn't even
afterwards.
know. Yeah, he
'cause
doesn't
thinks
even
it's
know.
so amazing.
I think that is amazing.
Yeah.
I love these ideas. I also love the fact that they're easily transitioned into a vegan or a vegetarian meal
Exactly.
for everybody.
Yep.
And like you said, less than 30 minutes. They're quick. They're done, and it's good eats for the kids.
Yep.
They'll have fun with it.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Where
And
can
everyone
people
can
find
build
you?
it their own. So you can find me at thescramble.com. And also on Facebook and Twitter and all those good places too.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm
Thank you
eating,
so
so
much.
if you could take this next drink, that would be great.
9:27 and coming up for National Trivia Day.